Have you ever known me for not keeping my promises?
I don't like this kind of friendship. You don't keep doing promise and fail.
Have you ever known me for not keeping my promises? The house has ended. You see, the show, like, today is 1 month, the house ended. So the house is ended.
I knew it was fake love all along, but
yeah?
Okay. I knew it was fake.
Keep the same energy. Keep the same energy. That's what I'm doing.
I have a meeting soon.
A meeting soon with who?
With my team.
Yeah.
I have a meeting in like 7 minutes. Yeah.
I know. Be moving. Be on the move. And after you go on the move, delete my number and delete me off.
I don't even have your number. I don't have your number. Do I have your number? No, hell no. I do not have your number.
keep the same energy. I keep saying. Let's have the same energy.
Bye. Talk to you soon. Yeah.
All right. Later.
All right. Yeah.